Hello, welcome to this week's Little Bits of Learning video. This week I'm going to teach you a game called Clock Patience. And the way that this game works is you will lay out 12 cards. I'm trying to get them all to fit on here. 12 cards. Okay, I paused the recording so that I could lay these cards out. So now you'll see that there are 12 piles around the outside of the circle, and there is one pile in the center. So you'll go around and put cards. There's 4 cards on every stack around the outside. Then there's the remaining 4 cards in the center. So you can make sure you take the jokers out, but leave all the other cards in. And then what we're going to do is figure out where these cards go around the outside of a clock. One, this is helpful for knowing where the cards are for telling time, but also it is a sequencing of number patterns as well. So we'll pattern to 12. The jack represents 11. The queen represents 12, and then the king is going to go in the center for the 13th hour. So we'll start by picking from the center, and I got an ace or a 1. So the 1 would go on the outside of where a 1 would be on a clock, and I'll choose that card. It's a 7. So then I could pass this to my partner, and they would decide where the 7 goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You might be aware of clock patterns more so than they are, so it might be easier for you. Now I have a 3. Where might the 3 go? I would put the 3, pick a card out, pass it to my partner. Oh, I've had jokers in here on accident. I just told you to take them out, and here they are. 5 will go here, and you would keep picking until all of the numbers are arranged back in their proper home. 7. Trying to get a king to show you. A 9. 7, a 2, 5, a 10, 2, an ace or a 1, 6, 4, 7, a king. So the king goes in the center for the 13th hour, and then I could choose a card from here and continue playing, and then the game's over and you win if you can get all of the cards around the outside placed before you have all 4 kings in the center. So hopefully you have kings in this pile so that they're not the ones that are being put in the center. So this can be a fun game to play independently, or you could play with a partner by flipping a card and passing it, flipping a card and passing it. So I hope that this could help you with thinking about the way analog clock is organized, as well as thinking about number patterns and the order that numbers go. So I hope you give this game a try, and I would love to hear how it went.